Here's the breakdown of 끝엔 목이 타는 from 1. 끝엔 end. 끝에 at the end. 끝에는 끝end. 끝엔 at the end. 목이 이 equal subject marker. 목이 equal my 타는. from 타다 to burn. 타는 equals burning, parched, thirsty. Often used metaphorically for strong desire or longing, not just literal thirst. Here's the breakdown of 느껴져, 내 머린, 내져. 1. 느껴져. From 느껴지다, equal to be felt, to feel, to sense. 느껴져, I feel it, it's felt, I can sense it. Casual present tense. I feel it, I can sense it, it's felt. Through 니 머린. From 머리 equal head, mind. 머리는 머린, contraction with the topic marker. As for my head, my mind. Here's the breakdown of 중독에 빠져. 1. 중독. Addiction. Being addicted. Can be literal, drugs, alcohol, or metaphorical, love, beauty, thrill. 2. into, shows where something falls into. 중독에 equals into addiction, into being addicted. From 빠지다, to fall into, to sink, to become absorbed in, to get addicted. 빠져, falling into, getting absorbed, becoming addicted. Full meaning, I'm falling into addiction, or I'm becoming addicted, or lyrical, I'm getting drawn in, addicted.